Hello, everyone. I miss you. This is Mr. McCarthy at my home again. Just wanted to check in with all of you to see how you are doing. If you have any questions or comments, please email me or leave me a comment on my Schoology page. Also, if you have seen any of my family videos or have played any of those activities, leave a post on what you thought or how the activities went at your place. If you want to see any of those videos, you can always check out my YouTube channel and then subscribe to watch all of my future postings. As a reminder, I am here for you, so please reach out if you need to. And finally, I placed all of my videos and handouts under the Materials tab on my Schoology page. So if you ever want to go revisit a video or check out a calendar or a handout, you can always check out the Materials tab on my Schoology page to check them out. I will talk to you later. Have a great day. My next video will be next Monday, so check that out.